7 tips for writing better AI prompts to get more human-sounding output. Tip number 1, treat your AI tool like a human assistant. Give it detailed instructions, provide feedback, and clarify points as needed. Remember that good AI prompting is a conversation, so don't be afraid to engage with your tool. Tip number 2, break down your task into multiple steps. Instead of just prompting and going, create a series of prompts for each part of the task. This iterative process will help you refine the output until you're totally happy with the results. Tip number 3, provide plenty of context and background information. The more context you give about the task, the better quality of the outputs you'll get. Share relevant details about your project, your goals with it, and any other important information for your tool. Tip number 4, prepare the right input materials. Just like in computer programming, the quality of your inputs directly affects the quality of your outputs. For example, if you want the AI tool to emulate your writing style, give it some examples of your own work as input. Tip number 5, find a suitable structure or template for your task. Giving the AI tool a concrete framework to follow will lead to more reliable and consistent results. For example, look for established structures and frameworks in your niche from your favorite creators. Tip number 6, don't be afraid to tell the AI when it gets something wrong. If you don't like the output it gives you, just give it direct and honest feedback, which helps the tool to learn and improve its outputs for future prompts. Tip number 7, interrogate your AI tool. If you suspect it's hallucinating an answer, ask it for further evidence, references, or a more detailed explanation of its reasoning. This will help to keep the tool on track and ensure a solid and reliable output. And remember, while ChatGPT is super popular, it's not the only option out there. I personally prefer using Claude for more natural and human-sounding text, but experiment with different tools and find the one that works best for you. So give these tips a try and see how they can transform your AI-generated text from robotic into something far more human.